This week, Make rolled out a new, long-awaited feature that is an auto refill for your account operations. Before you run over to your account and log in and turn that on, you're going to want to watch this video because I've got a couple reasons why you may want to leave that feature turned off. Buyer beware. Thanks for stopping by. My name is Andy O'Neill, and I create content on this channel for entrepreneurs like you to help them add automation to their business. Well, the first thing we need to do is talk about how this auto purchasing feature works. If you have auto purchasing on when your Make account uses all of its operations, then Make will automatically purchase an additional 10,000 operations on your behalf. And of course, you have to have a credit card on your Make account for this to happen. So there is a maximum number of auto-purchased operations that can be purchased on your behalf. And that number is the maximum number of operations that comes with your account plan. For instance, if your account plan has 10,000 operations per month, then Make will only auto-purchase another 10,000 once to refill your plan. So now that we know how auto purchasing works, I want to give you two warnings when it comes to using the auto purchasing feature. Unfortunately, as I've said, Make only lets you purchase 10,000 operations at a time, and Make does not let you roll over any of those operations at the end of your billing cycle. So if you don't use them, you will lose them. This means if you have a small Make account, and I'm calling a small Make account 100,000 operations or less, then auto purchasing an extra 10,000 operations at the end of the month may be overkill for what you need when you might only need a few hundred or a few thousand to get you through the end of your billing cycle. There's a second reason this Make auto feature will cost you extra money. But first, if you're enjoying this video and you're seeing value, I ask you if you'll hit the like button or even subscribe. What that does is it tells the YouTube algorithm this video is valuable and it will show it to more entrepreneurs like you. Okay, the second reason using the Make auto purchasing will cost you more money is because Make adds a 30% surcharge to the operations purchased with the auto purchase feature. This means that if you have a plan with 10,000 operations a month, and if you go and manually purchase 10,000 operations, you're going to pay $9 for those additional operations. In contrast, if Make auto purchases these operations for you, you're going to pay $11.70 for the same amount of operations. So unless you have a Make plan with 100,000 operations or more, because of the fact you may add more operations than you need and you will waste those, and because of the fact that you'll be paying 30% over the normal price, I would recommend you manually add operations to your account instead of using this auto purchase feature. So until Make adds the feature where you can actually choose the number of operations that are auto purchased, maybe in 1,000 or 2,000 operation increments, then it just doesn't make sense for business owners managing a small Make account to use this auto increment feature.